Hey guys, my name's Melanie, and I'm here today with Amy from MORryde. Amy, I'm so glad to have you here.
Well, thank you. I'm glad to be here.
So, you work at MORryde in Elkhart, Indiana. Can you just tell me, what does MORryde do?
Sure. MORryde does a little bit of everything.
Okay.
We do a lot of fabricating for various industries. So we work with the RV industry, which is probably still our biggest customer set at this time. But we also do different parts for the medical industry. We work with different military products.
I am a process improvement engineer. So what I do is I go into different departments and I look at data and I observe their processes.
I am the benefits and safety. I actually work with employees every day handling their medical, dental, vision, all that fun stuff that people probably don't really think about. And then I also work with the safety.
So we do everything from order entry, which is the time we get the information from the customer on what their order is, to customer service. Our customer service team, I always refer to them as air traffic control.
Oh my gosh.
So everything comes into the customer service team and then they kind of get it out where it needs to go.
When I came in ground level. I was a machine operator for several years. So educational process was basically just having kind of an aptitude for hands-on work.
So there's not really a typical day, and that's what I really enjoy about what I do is that every day is something different. So someone has a different question that I might be able to answer really quickly, or it could be challenging where, okay, I need to actually do research. And, you know, there's so many HR laws that you have to know, so you have to really make sure you're giving the right information. So every day can look differently. It can be working with plant managers, you know, doing safety walkthroughs. It could be, you know, figuring out a new system, educating someone.
What would you recommend to high schoolers now in order to prep if they were to come try to get a job at MORryde?
Sure. I would say if you could get a job in customer service, that's the best thing you can do to get into MORryde. MORryde is very, very customer service based, whether you're coming in production or if you're coming in administration, our purchasing teams. We're very customer service based.
You know, when you're in school, it can become like kind of a tunnel vision. You concentrate on school, but the more you can interact with people who are in the working world, and the more you can observe, the better. Get as much of that experience as possible.
It's okay to be undecided. A lot of people think that they have to have it all figured out, and that's not something you have to do.
Right.
And so just being able to try new things and learn from other people, having mentors in your life that you can ask those questions has been really beneficial as I kind of went through my career.